PCB came out of the oven, everything looked right, and then I realized, no, the Wi-Fi chip, the main chip on the board has slipped a little bit. Okay, I measured it. Turns out this one is grounded, this one is grounded. Alright, so 3.3 and ground are connected. And that could of course happen if the chip slips by this much. Oh well, I'll reflow it again tomorrow. Okay, so here's the second version that I reflowed, and this one worked finally. So what happened was that the main module, the particle P1 module, it slipped, but on this one it is all perfect. So now it blinks green since I haven't given it my Wi-Fi credentials yet. And I press and hold the setup button for 3 seconds and the green light goes blinky blue. And then I can set it up. But I can't do that while filming, so... Okay, and now it's back and it's pulsing cyan as it should. So let's give it a program. So here's a small script I used before. It just sends the signal strength to the Wi-Fi point to the particle dashboard. So all I do now is I click flash, and then this one is no longer blinking cyan. Let's see, it turns purple, blinks a few times, it's flashed, and now it's back to its own configuration or the new program. And then we can open the particle website, open the dashboard, and then go to the logs, and then we just wait for... Okay, so here is our RSSI event. 67. Oh, it's 38 in the office. So every, I don't know, 14 seconds, I'll send a ping and tell the RSSI. So this snippet. So we'll change it like that. I'll add this part, which also tells the local IP locally inside my house, not externally visible. I flash it, and then again it goes from cyan to purple. Gets this new program. Relog is on, and it's flashed. And now we can see here it came online, sent the RSSI. The device hash thing. Don't know what that is. It's generated automatically. And there's my local IP. That's pretty neat. What's stats here? Cool. So my first custom particle based board, just a board for fun. It's so this part here up the front here is 3 motor drivers for driving DC motors. You can drive a stepper as well if I'm controlling this well in software. Lots of I/O pins, some analog, some digital, SPI and UART pulled out. Over here are some pre-configured LED connections. Here's some 5 volts, but as you can see I'm missing the 5 volt regulator. Didn't arrive yet. Anyway, this jumper lets you set either an external power source like a battery box to 12 volts or just USB. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, there's a power LED and there's diodes to protect the input against incorrect polarity, but that's not done totally correctly. I'll fix that in the next revision. Yeah, and of course here's the reset and setup buttons that you use with any particle setup. So yeah, nice little board. Really happy that it turned out as it should. Super cool. Yeah,